Welcome guys once again. So in last lecture what we have seen is we have seen basic example of inheritance, and we have created different object, and we had tried to access the properties. Okay, so that's all about this accessing level. Now we'll see what are the different types of inheritance we have. Okay, what are the different types of inheritance we have? Types of inheritance we'll see now. Okay, so we have four types of inheritance: single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multiple inheritance. Okay, single level, multi-level, hierarchical, and multiple. So we'll see one by one all the example. With example first, then theory part you will be able to go through aram se. Okay, so let's go for single level inheritance first, then we'll go for multi-level, then hierarchical and multiple. Okay, so single level inheritance means only one class, one class accessing and acquiring the properties of another class. So only two class will be involved. Okay, so example, so suppose if we have two class, so let's me summarize this one by one, then we'll go for real time concept. We'll see example, we'll execute also, we'll see. Suppose if we have two class. Okay, so here if we have a class, and here if you have b class. Okay, so if you are extending, if b is extending a, simple, if b is extends, if b extends a, then b will be what? Child class. Just try to understand whatever I have explained you. So b will be child class, and from where I'm exporting the behavior, or acquiring the properties, that will be parent class. Parent class, or you can say that super class. So this point you should remember always, because we'll most of the time we'll talk about super class, subclass. Okay, so subclass is nothing but child class. Okay, so here only child class we can access, only we can access a properties. Okay, but here since I'm using inheritance, so I can access a properties as well as b properties. So this is simple known as, this is very simple example of single level inheritance. Single level inheritance, single level inheritance. Okay, single level inheritance. Okay, now we'll see with example. Okay, what is the, how we can achieve this one. Okay, so already only it will be only between the two class. So here one we have car class, which we have already seen, and here we have vehicle class we have, and here we have car class. So one class is car, which is extending to what? Vehicle. So only one class extending to another class. So one class here acquiring the properties, a behavior of another class. This is simple known as single level inheritance. Or suppose I'll just create one simple class. So I'll just create one employee class, employee. Okay, then employee will be having some salary. So let's make it very simple example. So int salary is equal to, suppose, sorry, it is integers, so no need to give it in string. So suppose salary is some around 220 lakh, I think, right? So 2000, 20,000, let me make it as 50,000 salary. Okay, so one employee is there which have the salary of 50,000. Okay, that's all. Now I'll create one more employee, might be tester or programmer. So I'll write tester. Okay, so tester is a employee. Okay, now you can relate little bit at least. Okay, suppose once you will join, you will get some joining bonus. So int, okay, joining bonus. This is very trap for organization. They will trap you by giving joining bonus. Okay, so they'll give 2 lakh of joining bonus. Okay, so 2 lakh of joining bonus they'll give. Perfect. Now I'll write one main method. I'll just write one main method. Okay, now I'll create object of child class. Okay, I'll create object of child class. Tester t is equal to new tester. Okay, then t dot joining bonus. Okay, t dot joining bonus. So I want to print this value, so I'll take SOP statement SYSO. Okay, T dot joining bonus. Perfect. Now I want to check the employee also. I want to get the employee details also, salary. So T dot salary. So T dot salary I'm not able to get because there is no linking between this tester class and employee class. Perfect. So I want to make the link. Okay, so I'll use keyword called extends employee. Okay, extends employee. So now once I'll write extend employee, means by default this employee properties will be available where? In tester class, right? So now by using this T reference I can access salary also. Let's see, T dot salary. Perfect. Now if I'll print, I'll get all the point, right? So I'll get joining bonus is what? 2 lakh and salary is what? 50,000. So I'll just, let me, for more concise readability, so I'll write joining bonus and this is nothing but your salary. I'll just print it. So I'll get joining bonus is equal to 2 lakh, salary is equal to 50,000. Okay, so this example is nothing but single level inheritance. Okay, and why inheritance is called as also, is a relationship, because if you're able to see, this is parent class and this is child class. So if you see, so tester is a employee, right? You can able to relate little bit, right? Is a relationship this is called, because child class is directly related with parent. So tester is a employee, right? So this is also known as is a relationship. Okay, perfect. So next example we'll see what is multi-level inheritance. Okay,